is time. It's time for the Light Round Quiz. This is a wrap for quarterly. Seeing the stock exchange buy sell. So just clear no close stock remaining. But play this up. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the Light Round Quiz. Start with Jeff in Kentucky. Jeff.
Happy Monday, Mr. Cramer. Hope you had a great birthday weekend.
Best in show. What's going on?
Well, not too much. Hey, I'm a long-time club member. Enjoy you and Jeff every morning and appreciate everything you do for us.
Thank you. Jeff's the best, man. He was booking today. What's happening?
Yeah, I'd like to know what you think of Vertiv Holdings.
One of the great performers of our time. It really is all the guts of the data center. And let's remember who the chairman is, Dave Cote. By the way, last year that stock was the best performer. If it had been in the S&P, it would have been the #1 performer, and it's already up 27%. And I'm not even walking away from it. Now I need to go to Bill in Massachusetts. Bill.
Oh, yeah, Mr. Cramer. How are you?
Bill. I'm good. How about you?
I'm coming to the meeting. I'm a member. That's the benefit of being a member.
And we're going to have time. We'll get some pictures, do some talking, ask some questions. I love it. That's what I do. I'll probably stay till midnight. I don't know about you. What's happening?
I can't wait. I'm coming from Boston just to see you, my man.
Well, I hope I do a good job for you.
Your club has done so good for me. I can't talk about it enough. I tell all my friends, everybody I know.
Well, thank you, man. Thank you. And Jeff does a great job. Zeb's great. Let's go to work together.
Jeff, you know what? When he did it himself, I couldn't believe it. He did a great job.
Oh, no, he's unbelievable. He is unbelievable. Well, let's go to work.
Okay, let's go to work. General Dynamics. I picked some up in May. I checked in with you. You gave it a thumbs up. It was a great call. It's up to 270.
Oh, I like that CEO. It's just terrific. I think you stick with the thing. I really do. Because, it's not expensive at all. And, to say that we don't have problems overseas, come on. Gendine, way to go. And thank you for those comments. Holy cow, I'm flying and high as a kite here. Let's go to Tossin in New York. Tossin.
Hey, Jim. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Good. Thank you. Jim, I would like to ask you about the C3 AI.
That's Tom Siebel. I happen to like Tom. I don't see any earnings there, so sir, I can't recommend a stock that has no earnings. Tom Siebel is a bankable guy. I've known him for 30 years, but I don't really like that any situation that does not make money. Let's go to Paul in Virginia. Paul.
Booyah, Jim!
Wow, fired up. You come in hot. What's up?
Yes, sir, man. Just wanted to comment and thank you on your level of passion you bring to the stock markets on a daily basis. Really second to none, sir.
Well, I like that. That's what I try to do. I get all fired up. I got a 3:30 in the morning today. I was tweeting and stuff. What the heck? What's going on?
Me too. What are your thoughts on the GLP-1 biotech stock who recently released stellar 48-week phase 2 trial data on their weight loss drug, pemvidutide? But what really catches my attention is the valuation gap between its competitors, Viking Therapeutics at $3 billion and the Carmot deal at $3.1 billion. I'm calling about Altimmune.
I know. Look, it does seem like they have something, 20% weight loss. We have to see if they can make it en masse. Right now, what happens is Lilly's got such a giant lead, and so does Novo Nordisk. But, you may have something. Maybe somebody buys them. I don't know. Look, it's a good spec, but that's what it is. It's a spec, okay? I need to go to Ron in Nebraska. Ron.
Booyah, Jimmy Jim.
Booyah, Chief. What's happening?
From Omaha, Nebraska, where the College World Series in Omaha Steaks.
There you go. That's what I'm always thinking. Been there with my late dad and Ma. We had the best time in the world in Omaha. We didn't get any further than that because my dad said this is about as far as we're going to go. And then we turned around, but it was dynamite. What's going on?
All right. Affirm Holdings, AF.
Okay, you got a winner with Affirm. Levchin is constantly underrated. People just don't understand. The guy has got passion. He comes to play every day, and they keep thinking he's going to bust. They're wrong. I want to go to Melissa in Texas. Melissa.
Hi, Jim.
Hi, Melissa.
I want to thank you for becoming one of my most valuable assets. You have changed my life in investing and securing a future.
Well, thank you. How can I help you? Well, I kind of did, but
Thank you. Thank you from working class and middle class families of America.
Yes.
I am interested in the stock DAR.
Darling is a really interesting company, but the stock keeps going down. It's too inexpensive to go. I'm going to leave it like that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, the wave of weight loss drugs continues to crest, making sense of the sectors that could be in for some belt tightening. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.